version that I've been playing, it covers the entire song. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down slowly, step by step, right? So the first one is the Sewakhile. So there they're just playing Sewakhile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So that is the first part, and it comes again. So it's one, then 1, 2. So on my left hand, instead of playing the root note of 4, I'm now extending. I'm just playing my third finger, because I'm using chord triad. It's gonna be on 2 instead of playing this when I'm on playing, just to add the voicing there. So when I'm going to 3 on my left hand, on my right hand I'm going to the first inversion of 1. So so while I'm here, I can go around playing the inversions of 1. Then when I go to 5 on my right hand, I'm going to the second inversion of 1. That's what I gave for the last time. So when I'm going to 4, I'm going to the second inversion of 1. While I'm still on 5, not 1. While I'm still on 5 with my left hand, on my right hand I'm on the second inversion of 1. Then I'm going to 4. Then I'm going back to 1. And look, if you don't know the inversions, you want to check out the video where I covered the chord inversions in the same key of F sharp. So as I've said in that video, there are no rules, so you can just play this root note, play first inversion, play the second inversion at the same time, right? Just to close those gaps. That's one of the good things about knowing the chord inversions. They help you to close the gaps when you don't want to move from that key that you're playing, or that note, and you don't want to add any passing chord. You can, in the meantime, play the chord inversions. Right, let's move to the second part. Then the second part, then it goes like, it's gonna go from here, right? It's gonna go from 1. So 1, 4, 1. So it's 1. I'm playing the root note, but 1 up octave. But if I was pick up in the song, or I was a second keyboard player, I'm just gonna be here. So it depends, right? So it's 1, 4, 3, 1. So that's right. So the first one is 1, 4, 3, 1. Then Adia, and then now this goes again saying, then when it goes for the second time, it's 1, 4, 3, then 6, 7, right? What you're doing then, go and go with the last move going. Let's just listen to it. Yeah, it's this one. This is the second one. Check this out. Then I go 2, 6. that's pretty much the entire song progression of this song. Those two parts that I've covered is what you're gonna be using the entire song. And yeah, I hope this helped. I tried, to break it down. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. I hope this helped you.